We're here at the Green Swamp in Dade City, Florida. A lot of people are camping. It's only Friday. The people with the horses come. They ride their horses. It's really nice here. Nice and quiet. All you hear is the airplanes. There's a restroom way up there. It's a long walk. I'm filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. There's a pop-up camper. There's two. There's one over here too. And we got my camper van, the Chevy 1988. Got that American flag. Watch how far this can zoom. That's really far. There's a nice a Freightliner. It's a motorhome. I guess that car's in the way. You can't really see it. It's got a semi-truck front end on it. You can't see it because that van. It's really nice out here. Look at those trees with the stuff hanging on them. Oh, there's one really rare tree here. It grows sideways. Look at that. That's really unusual. I brought my Honda generator to run the computer. I got an all-in-one computer. The AT&T internet let me down. I got 16 gigabyte of hotspot and I can't get online. I was online yesterday. I was uploading videos. Got the fire going. I'm trying to get it going. That there's used cooking oil. I put that on the fire. It helps get going real good. What else? I got the blowtorch. That gets that going real good. And that fire bellow to work the fire. That camper van's 1988. A G20. I wanted it really bad. It's really rusty, but I wanted it because it's titled as a motorhome. The insurance is only $62 every 6 months. I painted that grill white. It used to be gray. It looks a lot better in white. Look at this rust hole. It don't bother me. I'm getting cheap insurance. I had those aluminum slot wheels since 1981. They've been on probably 10 different Chevy vans I've owned. Chevy made a G10, G20, G30 1 ton. This is the 3/4 ton. I always bring the flag when I camp. I usually bring the other flag too.